But we begin tonight with a wrap-up of where Sessions is right now as he walks out of the Senate Intelligence Committee hearing room, calling the allegation that he colluded with the Russians about interfering in the fall's election a detestable lie. Chief Intelligence Correspondent Catherine Herridge has been watching the Sessions testimony inside the room. Good evening, Catherine.
Well, thank you, Brett. Throughout this very powerful testimony before the Senate Intelligence Committee, the Attorney General tried to set the record straight about these alleged contacts between the Trump campaign and Russia.
The suggestion that I participated in any collusion, that I was aware of any collusion with the Russian government to hurt this country, which I have served with honor for 35 years, or to undermine the integrity of our democratic process, is an appalling and detestable lie.
The Attorney General testified that he had contact with the Russian ambassador in May and September, but not last April at Washington's Mayflower Hotel, as widely reported.
You never remember having a conversation or a meeting with Ambassador Kislyak?
I do not.
And there was, in that event, was there ever a private room setting that you were involved in?
No.
With any?
Other than the reception area that was shut off from, I guess, the main crowd, a couple of dozen, 2 to 3 dozen people.
Sessions testified that he recused himself in March from the ongoing probe because of his Trump campaign role and Justice Department regulations, not his Russian contacts, a claim questioned by a senior Democrat.
Mr. Comey said that there were matters with respect to the recusal that were problematic and he couldn't talk about them. What are they?
Why don't you tell me? There are none, Senator Wyden. There are none. I can tell you that for absolute certainty. This is a secret innuendo being leaked out there about me, and I don't appreciate it. And I've tried to give my best and truthful answers to any committee I've appeared before. And it's really, people are suggesting through innuendo that I have been not honest about matters, and I've tried to be honest.
On at least 4 separate occasions, the Attorney General said to senators he could not answer their questions because he said it would be wrong to be public about his private conversations with the president, Brett.
Catherine, I want to get your assessment here. A lot of the questions dealt with the decision to recuse himself, dealt with the interaction with former FBI Director Comey, but did not deal with a lot of collusion allegations. In fact, Republicans on the committee pointed out that a lot of the Democrats' questions didn't deal with that.
That may be a reflection of the fact that in that prepared testimony and really right out of the gate in response to the senator's questions, the Attorney General made clear that any allegation that there was collusion between members of the Trump team and the Russians was, in his word, a detestable lie, and that in effect shut down perhaps some of the lines of questioning, Brett.
Okay, Catherine Herridge in the briefing room. Catherine, thank you.